What's up, everybody? This your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So mobile gaming is what's hot right now, right? We start to see a lot of companies gearing towards mobile gaming. You know, mobile gaming is one of those things that you got a smartphone and you could take it wherever you want to go and you can play the hottest games, right? We have a leaked video courtesy of XDA developers of a phone playing Fortnite on the Android platform. So I'm going to give you my thoughts about what I think and what I use to do mobile gaming on Android. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So Fortnite is coming to Android, but we got a leaked video courtesy of XDA developers, right? So let's take a look at it. As you can see that it is playing on a central phone, right? And the boot up process looks pretty good. And I think it's going to be a very good game on the Android ecosystem. But one of the biggest problems with playing games on the Android ecosystem is the controls. A lot of us gamers, we like to play with control pads, right? On this YouTube channel, I've showed several times of gameplay using a control pad, right? So what I want to do is I want to show you some games that I use, and I'm excited about this because hopefully Fortnite can play with this controller. So let me show you the gamepad that I use on the Android ecosystem, and hopefully Fortnite will support this. So check this out. All right, guys, so here's the controller. I actually made a few videos about this controller. I would leave all the links down in the description. And I got this via Bluetooth, and the latency is pretty low. I have a few games here that support the controller. Hopefully Fortnite will support this controller. As you can see, it has all the buttons here, and this controller is one of my main controllers I use when I play games. So kind of give you an example, I'm going to play some Asphalt 8 and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I use the controller. So check this out. All right, and as you can see, I'm using full controller support here. And one of the things I want to let y'all guys know is that it's low latency with this, very low latency. I mean, it works very good. And you can play games pretty much all day with the battery life on the controller, and it works like a charm. I mean, really good. Boom. As you can see, I'm a bad driver. I'm behind the camera, so y'all got to help me out here. But this is one of the games that I use on this controller, and as you can see, very low latency. So hopefully, going back to the Galaxy Note 9 and Fortnite, hopefully it will support the controller because it is very good. So this is Asphalt 8 right here. That's what I'm talking about on the controller. Another one of my favorite games that I like to use with the controller is the Dead Trigger 2, which is a very good game. And as soon as you open up Dead Trigger 2, it's going to recognize the controller. So basically, you don't have to do anything. As soon as you turn on the game, it will recognize the controller. All right, so I'm actually starting this game, and as you can see, oh, that's what I'm talking about. I actually love playing this game. Especially using the controller because you got full access to it. And one of the things I like about this controller is that it's adjustable. So you could put big phones, small phones, all kinds of phones on it because it's adjustable. And that's a good thing. And again, the latency is very good on here. It got very low latency, so that's a good thing. So when you playing with this controller, you got very low latency. Look at that. Boom. So when you're playing a lot of fighting games, it will work good. So I'm excited to see Fortnite on this platform. Hopefully I can use the controller because that's going to also be awesome. Just awesome. So that's what I'm talking about. Hopefully when the Galaxy Note 9 come out and Fortnite come out on Android, I can use this controller with Fortnite and we're going to have us some fun. So that's the gamepad. You can use this with any Android phone, right? Via Bluetooth, and it works great. Now, some games you do have to map, but other than that, it works like a charm. As you can see, the gamepad is nice, right? So hopefully the Galaxy Note 9 and Fortnite will support the Gamepad. And you know, it's an exclusive to the Galaxy Note 9 for a little while. It's going to be supported on other devices as we go along. But I hope that this will be supported on the Gamepad. Now, I've made videos about the Gamepad, and I will leave the links down in the description. It's a very, very good Gamepad, and I have fun every time I play a lot of games on the Android ecosystem. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about Fortnite coming to Android ecosystem and the Galaxy Note 9. See you guys on the next video. Peace.